Yeah, I want to show you how you can do an HLOOKUP in Excel. You have your data here that you have student marks, and you want to fill in their marks in the data set, but you have it here in form of rows. So you put your cursor here and go to formulas, and then go to lookup and reference and look for HLOOKUP. um, you locate your lookup value, which is a student name, and define your table array, which is here, and lock it by pressing F4. Then the row number index is the row number 2 of that horizontal table, and we want exact values, which is going to be false, and run. So when you drag down, it will give you